forget my password. I need to recover my password. So check at first what is the problem. I will go fixing. So I open PostgreSQL server, try to enter, then show password error. Means I lost my password. Now I need to set a new password. So step by step. So at first open Ctrl R. For extra safety, you don't face any error. You first follow. Go run and type services.msc. And this is my local service or local service file. Extended or standard, no problem. Just you find out. Just you find Postgres. So series P. Letter P, find P, M, okay. So P, database plugin, Postgres. PostgreSQL 64. This is main file. You can see also PostgreSQL direct. No problem, just a same file. Then right click and see this status is main. Stop push restore in start mean my server is now still now it's run. This is important server run. If is stop this server, just click start mean at this moment full okay my server is run. So this close. And second step, go my computer and in localhost, need to go localhost, local disk C, go and program file, then go program file, and you need to PostgreSQL, go PostgreSQL. Then this is on folder 18 means my version is 18. You can see your version name 15, 17, 18 or 19 something, no problem, just go. My version is 18. Go. Then go data folder. Then scroll down, you find out the folder name is pg_sb config. Just right click, you can open is your DS code or something other, no problem. Just I open with notepad. So open this notepad file, then scroll down and enter last. You find the host all this address, then this method just need to change, type trust and same host this address 128 and type trust and last just save this file and do not close this file because next we need again. Then last work is shell, SQL shell. Just type SQL shell. This is shell. When did you install PostgreSQL? That time is automatically installed SQL shell. So open this, then the server name localhost, then next database name Postgres, the name your port 5432, enter. This username is Postgres and enter. Now need to set a new password. So type this SQL command, alter user. This username is PostgreSQL. You follow this name. So type same this name as like POST VS and space with password. space, and first quotation. I type a simple password that I remember. You set your own password. I set a password admin 1 2 3. This is easy for remembering me. And quotation close, then row type comma. Please remember, type comma, then enter. Alter rule, done. I have successfully set this password. Okay, done. Now close this shell, and again I go this location, this file I already opened here. Okay, just set before as same as that same. Just I copy this and paste because before was same. Then save and close. Finally, this is close. Now I check my database. Opening Postgres admin panel. Managing tool. Again close server. Your password. Now type your password. And the password is and check mark save password. Then okay. Wow, I successfully enter my PostgreSQL server. I hope you already set new password and you see your all database. So enjoy your coding life. So thank you. If you feel this video is helpful, so like, comments and subscribe my channel.